The district court has temporarily stayed the demolition order against Surendra Kumar Khosla, owner of the Birch Nightclub. The stay will remain in force until February 23, 2026. Khosla had challenged the demolition orders issued by the Directorate of Panchayats, arguing that due legal procedure was not followed. His counsel Sebastian Vales told the court that orders lacked legal backing and were not sustainable. The proposed demolition was linked to the allegation of illegal construction on khazan land and the absence of required permissions, issues that came under scrutiny after the December 6, 2025 fire at the Birch Nightclub that claimed 25 lives. In a separate matter, Khosla is also contesting a court order that declared him an absconder. He has denied any involvement of the Enforcement Directorate in the case. The matter will now be taken up again before the district court as the stay remains in place.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.